What up, gang? Today in this video, I'm gonna go to a shot in the office where I'm talking to the team and I'm explaining a really smart strategy that I came up with off the top of my head. I was like, if I was releasing a project, if I was releasing a single, how would I go about monetizing the hell out of it to make thousands to tens of thousands of dollars? And off the top of my head, came up with a really smart strategy. So in this video, you're gonna see that. And now when you go and you actually start doing these things, and it's time for you to release EPs or albums or projects, you're gonna be able to use this. So at least have this in your back pocket and watch this video to the end because it's really gonna help you out. And you know my marketing strategies and ways to make money, some of the good stuff, right? So I'm gonna help you out in this video. I'm Rob Lovell, this is Smart Rapper. Make sure you subscribe because I release a new video every single day on this channel. And make sure you hit me with that like button because I'm doing my best to help you out, all right? Thank you so much for watching. We're about to get in this video and you about to get smart. Right after the intro. I'm Rob Lovell, a successful music artist that's been rapping for over 10 years. I've been posted everywhere from Complex to TMZ. I've had label deals, charted top 100, written songs for major artists with Grammy winners. On here, I teach you everything I learned in the music business. So as I learn, you get to learn too. This is Smart Rap. If you sell like a 10 CD set of your top projects and it's packaged and it looks really cool and it looks like a box set, people will buy it just to have it.
Yeah, it's like a novelty item.
Exactly, and especially if it's autographed. Like I got all his albums, and that's $100 purchase.
Yeah.
Okay? Because it's autographed. It'll have like things in it, like you can put like cards in it that attach inside of the inner frame of it. It can come in like a velvet box. CDs only cost me less than $1. Actually, a fully made, beautiful, laid out, printed one is about $1 each. That's a $10 investment plus the box. And if I made the box like a very velvety, nice box, say I spend $10 on the box. The cost of the good is $20, you're selling it for $100.
It's an $80 markup.
Exactly. But it's valuable because again, it's novelty. They want that, and people will buy that because it's all your project. Like right now, like if you think of a producer, you like, if you said 2010 to 2020, and every year I had a tape of all my beats, and it's fully on here, and it's on CDs, and it comes in this thing, and I'll personally autograph it for you. A lot of people would even buy that from producers. Just to go back through like their project. Think about Manny Fresh does that. You just want to hear what's on there. It's only available, for producers would do that.
It's kind of like the vinyl.
Yeah.
They sell vinyls in the Urban Outfitters.
If Jay Dilla had one of those, go like that.
Jay Dilla? Oh yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.
Jay Dilla had a collect, man.
Exactly. Like you do that. Like you can do it with so many things. You just got to be creative with the type of merchandise that you're making, and how you're selling it, because people will buy it if they're fans of you, and that's worth $100.
If Kanye came out with every single thing that he's ever made, I'm copping. I don't care.
Yeah, especially if they included bonus footage from that time era.
Oh man.
You see what I'm saying? Like it's over with. Like people are buying that.
That's an automatic cop.
What the f? There you go. If you really think about that and you're actually utilizing your resources and you're actually understanding that you are a business, you're growing yourself, you need to make money to invest back into the business to grow more and grow and get to that level, this is the type of stuff that you need to actually not be lazy and take the time to do. That was just something I had off the top of my head in the office. You know how many other strategies I have? I have some of the top music marketing courses on the internet, which means realistically in the world, because the internet is the world. But you guys want to check those out, go below this video in the description. You're going to see the level system. You're going to see marketing courses where I have all kinds of different marketing courses. Spotify, SoundCloud. I got just marketing strategies in general for you to understand marketing, and you can choose the ones that you want. I have ways for you can blow up even in your hometown. I have ways for you to blow up on Instagram. I have some of the top Instagram courses. I have all these things because I love this stuff. It's not like, oh, I'm just good at it. No, I love it, and that's why I'm so good at it, and I can help you with that. So those videos are below, okay? As well as other free stuff. So go check this stuff out, all right? Leave it a comment if you guys agree with this, disagree with it. Well, I don't know why you would disagree with it, but you can if you want. It's your opinion. And then any questions that you have so I can maybe make some videos just for you and anybody else who has those questions, all right? I'm Rob Lovell. This is Smart Rapper. You just got a little bit smarter. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.